Jesus breaks the darkness with peace. Life often brings moments of darkness, times when fear whispers louder than hope, uncertainty clouds every step, and despair threatens to take root in the heart. In these moments, it can feel impossible to see a way forward. Yet, Scripture reminds us that no darkness is too deep for the light of Jesus. He does not merely illuminate the shadows, he breaks them with his peace. Jesus' peace is not like the temporary calm the world offers. It does not depend on circumstances, achievements, or the absence of problems. His peace is deep, unwavering, and eternal. When he enters the darkness of our lives, fear loses its grip, anxiety begins to lift, and the chaos of our hearts is met with a profound stillness that only he can give. To experience this peace, we must invite him in. Through prayer, surrender, and faith, we open our hearts to his presence. Sometimes it comes gently, a quiet reassurance in the midst of tears. Other times it feels like a powerful wave, washing away worry and restoring hope. Regardless of how it comes, his peace always transforms the darkness into a space where healing, clarity, and courage can flourish. The story of Jesus calming the storm reminds us of his authority over every form of darkness. When his disciples were terrified, he spoke, and the winds and waves obeyed. In the same way, Jesus speaks peace into the storms of our own lives. The pressures of uncertainty, the weight of grief, and the confusion of our struggles are all subject to his loving control. Darkness is not the final word, his peace is. Living with this truth requires trust. It means believing that even when we cannot see the outcome, Jesus is at work. It means holding onto his promises when fear tells us to let go. And it means remembering that peace is not the absence of trials, but the presence of God in the midst of them. As we allow Jesus to break the darkness in our lives, we also become vessels of his peace for others. Our calm presence, faith-filled words, and compassionate actions can shine light into the lives of those around us who are also struggling. In this way, the peace of Christ is contagious. It spreads from heart to heart, breaking chains of fear and despair, one step at a time. No matter how long the night feels, or how deep the shadow of doubt may seem, Jesus' peace is greater. He meets us where we are, lifts the burdens we cannot carry alone, and restores our hearts with his unfailing love. When we walk with him, the darkness cannot stand. His light shines, his love heals, and his peace reigns. Let today be a reminder. Jesus breaks the darkness with peace. We are never alone, never abandoned, and never without hope. In his presence, fear fades, hearts are calmed, and life is filled with the steady assurance that comes only from him. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.